Hello everybody, how y'all doing? Are you a-okay in your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl Debbie from down a yard. Now, the video prior to this, I showed you how to mix up a basic waffle mix and to put a little twist to it. Now in this video, I'm going to show you all how to do some waffles, my style. We have our waffle maker here, and it has been preheated, so we're going to spray it real generous because we want to waffle them come out nice. Okay? Right here, we have our waffle mixture that has been mixed up. So right here now, we're going to use our ladle and we're going to spoon it on to heat. Try to spoon it on evenly. And you don't want to put in too much of a little that your waffles come out sort of, you know, sometimes they come out floppy and flat. Put enough that your waffles will come out properly. Okay? Fluffy and nice. So, if it even run over and make a little mess, we can clean it because that's how it goes sometimes. So we're going to cover it down because it has been preheated and it's on waffle. So as soon as it's ready, it will, the light, we have one light here, it will just go off. Alright. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for making it West Indian Delights. Yeah man, I'm good up Father's then. Happy Father's Day tomorrow, Father's Day coming up. Enjoy your Father's Day, y'all. And don't go about now being a new daddy. You know, you've got to take it slow. So, enjoy yourself. And don't do too much. And don't do what you're not supposed to do. Now, right over here, we have some bananas that have been caramelized. So I want to use that banana. We have some sliced ripe bananas. We want to get them soft and nice, really succulent. You see them coming up? So we have been caramelizing them in some melted butter, a little cinnamon powder, a little freshly grated nutmeg, and a little vanilla, I don't know, no, or a little almond, yellow almond. So we're getting them juicy and nice and succulent and waiting to get the waffles. So look at it right here, and we're getting our waffles all, sorry friend, we're getting our bananas all caramelized. So I want to taste for y'all because we want to get a little something. We don't want to get them dry. So I'm going to taste for y'all. Yes, we have it like that. And maybe we want to put a pinch of salt to give it that gig. Yep. So, we have our waffles, we have our bananas being caramelized. And they look like they're ready. So we're going to turn off. And we have our waffles in our waffle maker here getting on. So when we return, we're going to plate up our waffles, top it off with our caramelized bananas, and then you see what we have. Maybe just a perfect Father's Day breakfast. Yeah man, soon come back. Our light is off, family, so our waffles are cooked. So we're going right in. Wow. So we have our waffles here. Ooh, careful family, careful. Let us try to get them out. We're gonna lift and then we're gonna try to get them out. Oops. Wow. We're coming right here onto our plate. Okay? And we're gonna use our knife, family, to get them apart. Okay? We're gonna use our knife to cut them. See how fluffy they are? Not thin. Nice, fluffy, pretty color. Okay. So we're gonna get them apart. And we're gonna stock them. on top of each other. Okay? We want to stop them. Remember, I'm tell you, say you're something, you know, so feel free and hold your thing with your hand. Is your waffle, your kitchen, your waffle maker. Okay, family? This is how we want it to get them. So we're going to clean around to the edge of our plate here. Right. Remember, I told you all presentation is key. So try easy. It doesn't matter who you're serving. Try to let your thing have that presentable look at all times. Look at these. Look at this waffle. Look at it. Look at the fluffiness. Okay? So right over here we have for you some nice caramelized ripe bananas. And I told you what I use. So we're going to spoon on them in no particular order. But we just want to have it that nice, soft, smooth with the juice on top. Look at that. And we have a few raisins here. And you just stop. You can just put it, just remember, family, presentation is key. So you're just doing your thing and you do something that looks nice. Look at that. Look at this, family. From my kitchen to yours, once more, it's ripe banana waffles from West Indian Delights. Enjoy. Okay? Remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends, your co-workers. Remember to click your bell, turning on your notification. And Debbie from Donga Yard, remember Father's Day tomorrow, and I think Father would love this with a nice cup of creamy coffee. Cut me a cut. Boop.